Hi, Dr. Paul Haider, Master Herbalist here. Well, what do you think this is? This is a beautiful flower. Really no smell to it other than fresh. I would have to say fresh is the word for it. But absolutely gorgeous flower. And made a tea with it. And an absolutely gorgeous tea also. How often do you see a blue tea? And watch this. We're going to take a little lime, because we have a lot of limes around, and put this in here. If I can get a little bit out of this lime. A little lime juice in there. And I find it interesting that then you stir it up a little bit, and it slowly will start to turn a purple color or pinkish color, and this is kind of a fun thing. Well, this is butterfly PT, butterfly PEA tea, and has no side effects and great for healing and all kinds of things. I have to tell you, and you can see it turning a little more purple now. Just a wonderful thing, and you can use it for all kinds of disease processes and for culinary uses, all kinds of things. It is just great. And it's been used for centuries in Ayurvedic medicine and for all kinds of ailments in India, and where it grows just about anywhere. It's a perennial, so that means it'll grow forever and might die back in the winter, but it'll come back up. And it's a climber, and it goes everywhere. It actually fixes nitrogen in the soil, so it's good for your soil too. So that's a wonderful thing. Also, the name is Clitoria terranatia, and a very interesting plant, also known as Asian pigeon wings, blue pea, bluebell vine, butterfly pea, cordofan pea, Darwin pea, butterfly pea flower, couscous, couscous, all kinds of different names, but really a great plant. Has lots and lots of polyphenols and antioxidants in general, tannins, saponins, phenols, flavonoids, alkaloids, terpenoids, glycosides, and all these things are powerful healing agents. And it really has no side effects. In the animals, they try to induce some kind of toxicity, and they could never do it so far anyway. And so, wow, it's great stuff. And as far as the taste goes, well, nothing like telling you right now. It tastes like the lime I just put in. It really doesn't have much flavor, but whatever you put it with, we a lot of times make lemonade with it, or add it to other teas, and so you can add this powerful antioxidant to just about any other tea that you like. You could put it with all kinds of different things, and tamarind, all kinds of different stuff. So really great. It's a adaptogen also, so it's great for healing the whole body in general. It helps with anxiety, and a study in 2012 showed it increases the ability to heal itself in general. They did a study with the tea and yoga, and it really helped with anxiety also. So together with yoga and meditation and the postures and the tea, it did a great job of healing anxiety. Like I said, in the study in 2013, lots of antioxidants in this. In the International Journal of Pharmacy and Pharmaceutical Science, it showed it was really a good source of antioxidants. Helps with pink eye. There's not a lot of things that helps with pink eye, and you can take and make the tea and cool it down and put some in your eyes, and it does a great job. Food poisoning. It's a powerful antibacterial agent, even helps with staphylococcus. And if you have food poisoning, you can also use this too. But I would also, if you have food poisoning, you're going to be praying to the white God for a while. But you'll get better. There's no doubt about it. I had it. I got it at a restaurant a while back. Not fun. No doubt about it. Also, it's good for depression. It's an antidepressant. and helps lift your mood. Anything with lots of antioxidants is really going to help with mood in general. Also helps with dementia and memory. And a study in 2000 and 2001 with animals showed it actually helped memory in animals in general. It's a powerful anti-inflammatory. We drink this around the house now quite often, and it's really good for the joints. I work out quite a bit, so it helps with that inflammation from working out, and I love it. You can add a little honey to it or a little stevia, and really great stuff. Helps with diabetes. It actually controls the absorption of sugar, so that's really good for diabetes, no doubt about that. If you have a pain or something in your hand, you can rub it on topically. You could add it to and make an ointment with it, a nice blue ointment. That would be pretty. And you can rub it on that area, and actually you would actually feel the pain start to disappear. Really great. Helps to lower blood pressure, helps with cholesterol, helps with all kinds of cardiovascular issues also. And it may help with cancer too. Anything that has that many great antioxidants also helps to prevent cancer. Women who have irregular periods, it really does a good job of getting them back on track and having regular periods. Asthma, anything with great amounts of antioxidants like this. And there's a ton of studies out there. Actually, scientists are looking at this more and more because they know this is a great agent which has a lot of healing power. So more studies are being done. And helps with asthma, and you can open up your lungs, and helps with allergic reactions also. It's just a fun coloring you can put on food. If you take rice and you can color it blue, you can color it purple when you're cooking it, by adding a couple flowers to it. Also, it's great. It's a nootropic agent, which helps to increase more acetylcholine. This stuff has acetylcholine agents in it and helps your brain to function better. So, wow, really great stuff. So, helps to decrease, brain problems in general. All of that is really good. And I think there's a lot more yet to come and a lot more studies that we need to look at. Some of the other studies are in skin. The antioxidants help with collagen and elastin and help to reduce wrinkles and aging. Also helps the nervous system in general, improve nervous system function. If you have a headache, take some of this tea, and it's a natural way to get rid of that headache. As long as you don't eat the flower. Oh, you could eat the flower. Actually, I've seen people actually make a butterfly pea flower salad. You just take a whole pile of them, put them together, put a little balsamic vinegar on them, cut them up and eat them, and it's really good. Also, it's good for anxiety and stress. It helps with stress in a great way. It's an immune booster because of all those wonderful and powerful antioxidants. It's natural diuretic. If you're retaining fluid and you've got a lot of bloating going on and you want to take some of this wonderful butterfly pea tea, it does a great job. It's antibacterial, antifungal, and so if you have a problem going on or a bacterial problem, even helps with staphylococcus, so that's really great. It's a natural hair dye. You could make it blue. Blue hair is in nowadays. Purple hair is in, and this is a natural way to get it. I'm just hoping for hair, but anyway. Also helps with arthritis. You can take it, internally, and that will help. And also you can make the ointment or a cream with it, and you can put that on the area, and that will help also. I had arthritis for almost 40 years. And then I started on my diet at drpaulhaider.com, as you can see here, and it disappeared. I thank God I don't have arthritis anymore. Helps with sleep because it's soothing, relaxing, and calming, and good for sleep. Helps with colds and flus because it has all those antioxidants in it. Good detoxing agent for the liver also, and blood purifier. It's a cooling agent. If you're hot all the time, I'm particularly one of those people, it will cool you down. It's The plant is a really good animal food also. So if you have, grazing animals, that's really important. It improves the soil. The whole thing is edible. Basically the leaves, the flowers, the roots, everything, and they can all be cooked. In Asia, they use it as a food coloring for puddings and cakes and all kinds of different things. And rice also is in sticky rice. They make it blue, which is an amazing thing if you ever had sticky rice. It's one of my favorite things, actually. Also used in white rice, and it's not my favorite thing, white rice, but you can use it in brown rice also to make it purple or more blue. And also it is used in, they actually take the flowers themselves and deep fry them. Now, you could air fry them also. They'd be a healthier alternative. And everything is edible. Everything is edible. Leaves are used in salads also. And the pods actually has peas, and then if they're small, a couple inches, and you can stir fry those and that type of thing, and they're very good also. No side effects. There's a lot of studies with animals showing that we did more and more studies giving more and more higher doses. They couldn't really cause any problems. But I recommend this not for those who are pregnant, nursing, or small children. That's just a given in everything herbal. It forms, you can get it as teas and tea bags and powders and seeds, so you can get your, grow your own plants. I found it on Amazon and eBay, and you might get it at some growers in your area. They do grow it in Puerto Rico also, and in the U.S., and it really seemed to grow in just about any kind of soil that you could think. It likes, roadsides. It loves places where the soil's been removed. It loves just about anywhere. And it kind of grows up and has these beautiful flowers. And so there's also a white variety and the blue variety. Inexpensive. I found 50 grams of the actual flowers for tea for about $12. So you can't go wrong with that. Really great. If you have more questions, feel free to get a hold of me. paulhaider.com. You can see it there. Also, my phone number is 831-869-9119, 831-869-9119. Also, my email address is drpaulhaider@gmail.com. That's drpaulhaider@gmail.com. And my Skype address is drpaulhaider. You can text me and WhatsApp me and all kinds of things with my phone number. So whatever way you need to get a hold of me. And if you'd like to do a consultation, you can do your spouse and you together if you want. I ask for a $50 donation. Let's get you on the road to really having great health this year. And if you have diabetes or you have colitis or you have any number of different diseases going on, let's get rid of those and let's move forward. And I know we can make you healthy and make you enjoying life in general. And I really am powerfully felt about that because, there's no reason to suffer. There really is no reason at all. And I could walk down the mall and I say, boy, we could get rid of that. We could get rid of that. And you get rid of the arthritis. We could get rid of, all these different problems. And people don't have to be unhealthy. They can be healthy, and you can be healthy. Have a great day. Remember God, and remember, I love you.